It's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE. It's the dictionary definition of a premium SUV. In it, you'll get lasting luxury and constant capability. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. V6 engine, 4MATIC 4-wheel drive with traction control, automatic transmission, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power folding driver and passenger side exterior mirror, dual zone climate control, external memory control, power telescoping steering column, 4 12-volt power outlets, and power heated mirrors. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. Experience it for yourself today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.